All right, Mr. Nathaniel, here's a question that comes up. Why are car repairs so expensive? For instance, I took my Chevy pickup into a shop the other day. They told me I needed front end suspension work like control arms. I wrote it down, tie rods, ball joints, and it's $2,500. Why? I don't understand what makes this repair so expensive, and why do these parts even wear out so quick?
It's a great question. So there's a lot of things that play into that. Most parts on these newer vehicles, and the older ones, of course, too, but let's just reference the steering. A lot of these components are intricately made by engineers. It takes money to build them. It costs extra materials. A lot of the components are metal, different types of aluminum, cast. It just depends on what the vehicle's using. On the other side of that is a lot of these vehicles are going towards computer controlled modules or computer controlled systems. And when anything electronical breaks just because of how it's built and what it takes into making it, programming it, everything like that, there's a higher cost. Now, there's the other side of it that it's can be perceived as a conspiracy, but it's not really. Is dealerships would rather you just buy a new car. They don't want you to fix it all the time. They'd really rather you just buy a new car. And if they can make it as hard as they can to repair these vehicles, or they can raise the price on it, where 5,000 seems a lot, 10,000 seems a lot cheaper when the repair bill's 5,000. So it's just kind of an industry culture that's been built. That's something that we have to deal with cost of goods and cost of services, and that we deal with. But it fluctuates as well. It goes down just as much as it goes up.